If you want to enable dark mode in N8N, this is the quickest way to do it. Dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time building workflows and checking automations. In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can switch N8N into dark theme in just a few seconds. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open N8N and look for the settings option in the left side menu. Click Settings to open your account and interface options. Once the settings page loads, click Personal. This is where your personal preferences are stored, including your display theme. Under the theme dropdown, click it to reveal the available options. You should see the theme choices listed there. Select Dark Theme from the drop-down menu. As soon as you choose it, N8N will switch the interface over to dark mode. That's all there is to it. Your workspace should now be displayed in dark theme, making it much more comfortable to use in low-light environments. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.